with Experian Boost, allowing video streaming services. Previously, they were only allowing telecom and utility type of data. The way that they do this is they access the data through bank account records, right? So you have to allow them to you have to opt in for Experian through a third party company to access your bank account, right? To access your bank records, and through that technology, it'll search for the transactions that are related to utility or telecom, and they'll add the payment history to the credit report. Only positive data gets added previously, and you can opt out at any time as a consumer. You can opt out at any time. But in order to have that data added, you have to opt in to allow them to access your bank account data, right? And again, this only applies to newer score versions, Vantage 3.0, 4.0, FICO 8 or newer, which the majority of the lenders are using older versions. Auto lenders are using older versions. Mortgage companies using older versions. Some credit card companies are actually using newer versions, so it could help there. But again, it's only applying to Experian. So some updated information since Experian Boost has launched. I believe it's been about 6 months, maybe about a year since Experian Boost has launched. Over 4 million people have opted in. So there's about 4 million plus people that are using Experian Boost. 29 million points have been added. Again, this is according to authority.com. That means based on this data, I was kind of comparing the data that you're kind of based on these numbers compared to the numbers that they're claiming. There's definitely a difference there. So based on this data, 29 million points have been added to scores. 4 million consumers have opted in. The average that I get is 7.25, right? 7.25 average point increase. But Experian.com and many other sources are claiming that they have seen an average of 13 points increase. So I'm not sure how they're getting that data, but based on the data that was provided in the report, it's only an average of 7.25. So nonetheless, don't expect a 50-point jump. Don't expect a 20-point jump, which it may happen. But on average, let's just say consumers are experiencing, just to give them the benefit of the doubt, we'll say 7 to 13 point increase on average. That's what we're seeing. Basically, that's what's going on with Experian Boost. They're adding video streaming services. So again, it was only utility and telecom. Now you can add video streaming services to, I don't know if the product is out right now or it's going to be rolling out shortly. Experian Boost will allow that.